BusinessWeek TV. It's about money, earning it, investing it, spending it.
There is probably not a computer user alive who hasn't had one or two hair-pulling sessions in front of his or her computer. That's the nights when the internet moves so slowly, it's more like a one-way road than a superhighway. Or the spam you keep getting from Nigeria, and oops, you did click on one that was definitely not legitimate. Well, there is help. In fact, an entire industry is designed to help computer users in a pinch. But we decided to sit down with one company and solicit some free do-it-yourself computer advice. It might save you a lot of aggravation and, of course, money. Stephen Carroll had a big problem on his hands, one of epic proportions for someone who partly runs his hospital staffing firm out of his Manhattan apartment.
I needed wireless throughout the apartment, and my telephone installation company recommended Computer Troubleshooters. They came in. We had a lot of problems with installing here because the thick walls, the signal didn't go through the walls, so they had to come up with a solution that worked, and they did.
Stephen now has 6 computers linked up to the wireless network, but as he mentioned, he wasn't the mastermind behind it. He used Computer Troubleshooters USA, run by Chip Reeves. The company offers a full range of on-site computer help for home users and small businesses with hourly rates from $65 to $200. The company's franchises are located in 33 states and 27 countries, but the computer problems are the same worldwide.
Hands down, the biggest call that we get is always related to spyware. They don't know it's spyware. Almost nobody uses that term, but they say things like, my computer's running too slow, I'm getting these error messages, I'm getting these pop-up messages, my computer keeps crashing, my internet's running slow. All of these are symptoms of spyware.
Spyware can end up on your computer after you visited a website you shouldn't have or downloaded an attachment you should have tossed. The program that gets installed can grab credit card information, access business files, and your emails. This computer Chip showed us is full of spyware. The big indicators, the cluttered search bar, waving cursor, and some installed programs that clearly aren't legitimate.
Sexy Red Riding Hood, probably Virtual Girl.
To make your computer safe, update your antivirus programs. They do expire. Buy separate spyware protection. Try these free programs, Spybot Search and Destroy or Adware. Use spam filters for the office, but home users are better off with software programs for spam, which can be picked up at any office supply store.
Here is somebody in Malaysia telling me that I've won 500,000 pounds.
Another big problem for computer users, loss of data. We've all had that likely. The day you forgot to save your file and wham, the computer shuts down and it's lost somewhere in that box on your desk.
Every week we get calls from people who seem to think we have a time machine because everybody says, well, it was just working yesterday. It was just working 5 minutes ago. Can't I just go back to where the document was? And unfortunately, we don't have that technology yet. So if you don't have a good backup, you're in trouble.
Backup devices are sold online or in stores. Small businesses can back up data over the internet or stream it to an off-site provider. Also, replace your surge protectors every 2 to 3 years. Surges and power drops can cause data loss. Better to take action on free advice than have to pay down the line. Now, some other tips. It doesn't pay to use old hardware. Reeves says the older the equipment, the more likely you'll have problems. Consider replacing the computer systems every 3 years. Computer Troubleshooters offers project-based fees, also monthly maintenance for small businesses. It offers a type of computer health insurance that runs $60 to $100 per workstation. So it doesn't cover new equipment, but it does cover all of those big surprises, such as those lovely viruses.